this is the Sunway Medical Center. Let's go to the room. Our room is 505. Yeah, at here. Let's enter. Okay, let's plug in the cat first. Now let's put our stuff inside first. So this is the room. Okay, let's do the review of the room. This is the main entrance, and this is the fire escape plan. Yeah, and then we have the toilets at here. This is the bathroom, and we have the bowl with Johnson shoes, and here is the house phone, and we have the tissue over here. We have the basin, we have the sanitary kit, and also toothbrush and toothpaste. We have 2 mirrors over here. Hi, and we have the hair dryer over here and the hand wash. So here we provide. They also have provide the body wash and shampoo with the showering system. And here is the toilet. So this is the toilet sliding door. We can close the door by here. Yeah. Okay. So this is the safe box. But before that, let's open Do Not Disturb first. Okay, now we have emergency torchlight, iron board, and we have some hangers over here, and we have the safe box inside, and we have 2 pair of shoes over here, and a laundry bag also, and we have makeup room and Do Not Disturb, and we have coffees, brown sugars, teas and cups over here, and also have the what is this called? This is called as the water boiler, and this is another mirror. Hi, and here we have national brand refrigerator over here. And here we have the luggage storage area. We have nothing over here, nothing. And we have the TV controller, Samsung TV. And we have a Wi-Fi. We have the lamp over here. Let's turn on. Okay. Also, we have the light over here. We have the power supply. Oh, this is open already. And we have 2 mineral waters over here. And we have 2 lights. Let's open all. And this is the bed. And we have some papers and pens. Hey, pencils or pen, I don't know. Yes, the pencil. And we have the room key. Yeah, we open all. And we have the air conditioner over here. Let's turn cold. And we have a power trip box over here. And that's it. See you guys later. And let's see the view of, but before we end, let's see our room view. Yeah, the building opposite me is Sunway Carnival Mall, Sunway Carnival Mall. Also the new expansion project. And the building over here is the Sunway Hotel. Sorry, not Sunway Hotel. Sunway Medical Center. And let's go to the facilities. See if this hotel have any facilities or not. And see you in the before that, here we have got the plug. And see you in the next video. Bye.